Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Ford Ranger door. First, locate the exterior door handle, which is usually a pull-style lever. Grasp the handle firmly with your hand and pull it outwards. This action disengages the door latch. Once the latch is released, gently push the door to swing it open on its hinges. It's a straightforward process, ensuring easy access to your vehicle every time. Now, let's talk about opening the door from the inside. Locate the interior door handle, which is typically positioned conveniently near the armrest. Pull this handle firmly towards you. This action releases the door's internal locking mechanism. With the latch disengaged, you can then push the door outward to exit your Ford Ranger smoothly and effortlessly. It's important to understand child safety locks, especially if you have young passengers. These locks are designed to prevent the rear doors from being opened from the inside. You'll find a small lever or switch on the edge of the rear door, usually near the latch. Simply slide this lever to the lock position to activate the safety feature, providing peace of mind. Sometimes, a door might feel a bit stuck. If this happens, try applying gentle, even pressure around the door's edges while simultaneously pulling the handle. Also, check for any visible obstructions such as ice, debris, or misaligned weather stripping that could be preventing it from opening. If the latch feels stiff, a quick spray of silicone lubricant can often resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.